Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever looked at someone like Elon Musk or Oprah Winfrey and thought, how did they do it? How did they build empires from scratch? The truth is, their success wasn't an accident. It wasn't overnight magic. It was the result of a specific mindset, relentless hard work, and a set of powerful habits. And today, I'm going to share 6 of those game-changing tips with you, so you can start building your own success story in 2025 and beyond. This isn't just another motivational video. These are actionable principles you can apply right now. Ready to transform your journey? Let's dive in. First up, and this is the foundation for everything, develop an unshakable growth mindset. Many people believe their talents and abilities are fixed. They think, I'm just not good at sales, or I'm not a natural leader. Successful entrepreneurs think differently. They believe that their abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. This is the growth mindset. When you face a setback, you don't see it as a sign of your limits. You see it as an opportunity to learn. Failure isn't a dead end, it's a data point. This shift in thinking is crucial. Instead of saying, I can't do this, ask, how can I do this? Instead of being intimidated by others' success, be inspired by it. Your mind is your most powerful asset. Train it to see possibilities, not problems. This is the core of the millionaire mindset that separates the dreamers from the doers. Tip number 2, become obsessed with solving a problem, not just with making money. The most successful businesses in the world aren't built on the goal of getting rich. They're built on a deep, passionate desire to solve a real problem for a specific group of people. Think about it. Airbnb solved the problem of finding affordable, unique accommodation. Uber solved the problem of getting a ride easily. What problem keeps you up at night? What inefficiency in the world drives you crazy? When you focus on creating genuine value and solving a real pain point, the money will follow as a byproduct of the value you provide. This customer-centric approach also builds a loyal brand identity. People don't just buy what you do, they buy why you do it. Find your why, and you'll find your path to a sustainable, successful business. Next, let's talk about discipline. Tip number 3 is to master the art of disciplined execution. Motivation is great. It gets you started. But motivation is a feeling, it comes and goes. Discipline, on the other hand, is a commitment. It's what keeps you going when the initial excitement fades and the hard work kicks in. The most successful entrepreneurs have incredible focus and discipline. They create routines and systems that ensure progress, even on days they don't feel like it. This means setting clear goals, breaking them down into small, daily actions, and then showing up consistently to do the work. It's about doing the boring, repetitive tasks that no one sees, but that ultimately lead to massive growth. Your daily habits determine your future success. Are your habits pushing you forward or holding you back? Start building those powerful entrepreneur habits today, because consistency is what turns average into excellent. Our 4th tip is a big one. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. I know we touched on this with the growth mindset, but it deserves its own point because it's where most aspiring entrepreneurs quit. You will fail. You will make mistakes. Your first idea might not work. Your first product launch might flop. That's not the end of your entrepreneur journey. It's part of it. Every single successful person you admire has a long list of failures they had to overcome. The key is to fail fast, fail forward, and fail smart. Don't let failure define you. Let it refine you. Analyze what went wrong, extract the lesson, and apply that new wisdom to your next attempt. The power of failure in business is that it's the most expensive, but also the most effective form of education you will ever receive. Don't be afraid of it. Learn from it. Coming in at number 5, never stop learning. The world of business is constantly changing. Technology evolves, consumer behavior shifts, and new competitors emerge. The moment you think you know everything is the moment you start to become irrelevant. Successful entrepreneurs are voracious learners. They read books, listen to podcasts, take courses, and network with people who are smarter than them. This is what entrepreneurship education is all about, a lifelong commitment to personal development. Dedicate time each week to learning. It could be learning a new marketing strategy, understanding your industry's finances better, or improving your leadership skills. Investing in your knowledge is the highest return investment you can ever make. It's the secret to innovation and staying ahead of the curve. How are you investing in your growth this week? Finally, tip number 6, build your network and learn to lead. You cannot build a great business alone. Your success will be a direct reflection of the team you build and the relationships you nurture. Start by surrounding yourself with people who inspire and challenge you, mentors, peers, and advisors. But it's not just about what you can get from your network. It's about what you can give. True leadership isn't about being the boss. It's about inspiring others to believe in a shared vision. It's about empowering your team, giving them the tools they need to succeed, and creating a culture of trust and excellence. Learn to communicate your vision clearly and passionately. Learn to listen. As your business grows, your role will shift from doing all the work to leading others to do great work. Your ability to lead and inspire will ultimately determine the scale of your success. So there you have it. 6 powerful tips to guide your entrepreneurial journey. Develop a growth mindset. Get obsessed with solving a problem. Master disciplined execution. Embrace failure. Never stop learning, and build your network to become a great leader. Remember, success is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about the small, consistent actions you take every single day. The path won't be easy, but with the right mindset and habits, you can absolutely build the business and the life you've always dreamed of. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content on business, success, and building a life of freedom. Let me know in the comments which of these tips resonated with you the most. Now go out there and make it happen. I'll see you in the next video.